Alright, here we are, ready to open the package.
Yay!
Careful,
Is it
careful.
a toy?
I don't know, it's a surprise.
Not prize.
What kind of surprise? Surprise.
Not prize.
No, all it says is to the Moeller family.
Can I see them brownie? Whoa! It's coming a toy! Yay! It's coming a toy. To the Moeller family. Now cut this side, Mom.
Okay, now I'm working on it.
I'll take the tape off.
Okay, you work on that side while I work on this side.
Work on this side.
Okay, and Bristol's working on this side too.
Can you cut that side?
Yeah. Oh, good job.
What is
I
it?
don't know. You gotta be careful because you don't know what's inside.
I need this off.
Wow. Okay. Just wait. No. Let me do it. Oh, you're gonna get the sticker off?
No. I get it.
Or you're working on the tape there?
Let's do it this side.
Okay. Here we go.
And here.
Okay. You gotta be careful here. All right. Why don't we do this? Why don't you guys get back here? Get behind. Get behind the table.
Why?
Wow. And we'll put this down. Okay, Bristol, you gotta get out of the way of the camera. Okay, boys, get back here so we can see you. Get back here.
Appa!
Oh, wow. Okay.
Whoa. Can we open it?
Let me see this. Wow. All right, Colton, get back where Levi is.
Cookies! Yeah!
Oh, my goodness.
What is it?
Wow.
What are they?
Fruit snacks.
Can I have them?
Just wait. Let's see what all it is. Wow. Okay, you get back here. Hey, little weasel. Little weasel, get back here. Get over here. Okay. All right. Wow. Bristol, look at this.
Shoes, cookies.
Shoes, Bristol. Okay, get back there. I'll give you stuff. Wow. Oh, cute. Look at these. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Star.
Wow.
Star.
Oh, my goodness. Did you see this?
Markers.
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, buddy.
What's that? What's that?
No. Don't take it out too fast.
Nancy.
Oh, I think that's... Not right now. Let's see what's all in here. Wow. This looks like something I should keep over here for now. Oh, wow. How did they know? Look at all this stuff.
Can I have it? What are they?
Oh, cute. You see these? These are red and white and blue. This looks like something I should keep away from you. Oh, you are doing such a good job of helping me. Oh, wow. Look.
Look.
Oh, my goodness. Can you see if they're still videoing? I better check the video to make sure it's still going. Oh, we're still going. We're good. Wow. How did they know you like these? Oh, my goodness. It says, oh. How do they know you like pretzels? Oh, neat. Yeah, you love these. You love that? Yeah, no, you probably better not have that. Oh, a cupcake decorating kit. Wow. snack after. We're not going to do a snack. Oh my goodness, these are gummy treats.
Gummy treats. Can I have gummy treats?
Not right now. Are you going to put it back? I'm going to take that over here. Stay here. I'll finish it up. Do you like them back over there? Oh, we'll go back over this side. With
And
this.
the ball.
Well, this is to write on.
What?
Yeah.
And two.
Okay, you can look at the cupcakes. Let's see, and these are cupcakes. Oh my goodness. Oh.
What? Cupcakes like that?
That's your, how they know you like that. That was the kind you picked out like that for Bristol, for her birthday. How did they know? Okay, go back over there. Let's look at this one. No, get back over there so they can see you. Oh, this is cool.
What is it?
They're bags. Look at
Santa Claus.
Santa.
Santa.
Oh, and more the big fun. They know you like all these things. This is, so, this toy, it was for their dog, and
Throw.
their dog
Bro.
liked this. Maybe,
Throw.
we're wondering if
Bro.
Ellie might like this.
Ball.
Do you think Ellie would like it?
Yeah.
Whoa! We got
Yes.
both of us. All right,
Well, we're
you gonna go
giving-
see if Ellie likes it?
Maybe.
All right.
Ellie,
Make sure you tell Ellie who it's from.
No.
Well, Bristol has your ball now because you threw
Ellie
it.
likes it. No. No. I got car. I got car.
You
A
wanna see the
car.
card?
A car.
Okay,
Car.
let's see here.